Let's turn it on.
Like the tide rolling back to the city, free to be free, free to be free. The sky opens wide for me. Left the past outside the door, don't need them anymore. The sun kissed my face, no walls, just an open space. No more chains in my heart, every scar, every tear hold me down. No more the spark lit the dark, showed me the truth. Free to be free, free to be free.
So this is actually a proper pro level EV diagnostic tool with offline battery pack testing with a full high voltage support. So this is for EV basically, but you can use it for generic. So there's the EV, and there's that generic ICE engine, ICE vehicle. Right, so let's get into it. So we'll go EV. My vehicle's an EV. I'm just gonna do some check. So this is the whole setup for it. That's a cable, and then this is where the location of the DLC. And there we go. Okay, so let's go diagnostic. So auto scan.